fucked up a little bit. Got the neighborhood smoked out. Oh, this shit fucked up.
Yo, what's up? What you want? Oh, you want to get inside?
Alright, boom. We're on the way right now to look for this dude a new car.
Hey, I'm finna get some.
Cause right now he driving the Heltima right now, but the Heltima transmission about to jump out that motherfucker. Got my little nephew with me. We riding around right now and shit. Hold up, can I turn the camera around? Fuck no. But we riding around and shit right now. We just left one dealership, got no videos from that. But just know they had some cool shot there, but their prices was very low. And I think it's reasons for that, so we don't trust it. The first car we looked up was a dub. So nah. Wait, hold on. We'll look at this goddamn Volkswagen Passat. First thing you see, that motherfucker is below average.
Not getting that.
Not getting that shit. So right now, we're gonna be in the next dealership in about 20 minutes. I'm gonna get y'all back when we get there. Alright, so we in the goddamn 2017 Genesis G80 right now. Hold up, hit them with the, I don't even remember how I opened it. How'd I open this shit just then?
Oh, right here.
Oh, it's a little button up there. Okay. This joint right here smooth though. I like this.
This is cool, man. Outer shifter.
Hold up. Oh yeah.
I think this might be one. Only thing I can say is that seat that he's sitting in, it's a little torn.
Ooh, yeah, it is a mean ass rip in that.
Yeah, I gotta get that fixed.
Hold up, let's pop the trunk on him.
Yeah, I was finna do that in the hood.
Ooh. Damn.
It's a big trunk, bro. Gotta put 2 12s in there.
It's a little tall.
That's the emergency release, I think. You pop the hood.
I'm finna. But check it out.
Let him get it.
It's that thing, man.
I like it. I really do like this joint though. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. This is a whole lot better.
Yeah. I think this might be it, bro.
Let's walk the lot a little
Yeah,
bit. Let's
yeah.
walk the lot a little bit.
I don't want to.
Now I do like this though. I think this might be a winner.
It might be.
I think we got ourselves a winner.
I go police.
All right, y'all. After waiting forever, we
2 years.
for real, we are finally test driving the G80. About to take it out onto the road right now. Everything pretty smooth though. I'm liking it. We ain't even got out the lot yet. I'm serious. I'm liking it like it's
Right,
mine.
hold
Are
on,
you liking it? How
It
you?
don't drive like a Benz or something.
It drive like a Benz or something.
Yeah.
Hold up. This thing fire though. Most cars, any car that got a goddamn clock and you know they trying to be on some fancy shit.
Yeah. Let me see. It's fast.
Yeah, just got a phone call, fuck my whole video up, but you know we back at it though.
Damn, what should I do to U-turn?
Nah, just book that shit. Keep going a little bit. Fuck that. We riding. Matter of fact, turn. If you can get over right here. We're gonna turn. We about to hit some side roads. Fuck this.
Yeah,
Get off this
damn traffic
yeah.
is crazy.
Busy ass highway.
Damn.
Oh, he letting you over. He letting you over.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right. Turn right here.
Hey,
yo, this shit moving.
regular. This regular. What the fuck?
Hey, hold on. This shit was moving a little bit.
This shit regular, nigga. Damn, the tin in the back of this gotta get fixed.
Hold on. Put that shit in. You got sport mode on it? Yeah. Put
No.
this shit in sport mode.
All right, we're gonna bust this right.
Yeah. Bust this right. Hit that hoe.
hoe.
Hit that hoe. We'll get a little gas. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, this shit get up. Ooh, this shit get up.
This it.
Oh,
right
this
here.
shit get up. Oh, this shit get up. This shit get up. This shit get up. Oh, this shit get
Yo,
up.
this shit is crazy. Hold up. This it.
All right, so we're gonna pull into a parking lot.
What a damn.
We're gonna pull into a parking lot and we're gonna check this shit out so we ain't gotta have the dealers breathing down our necks.
Yeah, like let me find somewhere. Little
Oh, this
spot.
shit.
This shit was moving.
This shit, you like it, yo?
I'm pulling on the side road somewhere.
No. We're gonna find a parking lot. Ooh, somewhere in Mexico. Oh, shit.
This joint is crazy. Hey, I think that's it, bro. This drive way better than the other shit. What the fuck? Why the gas go down? I won't hit it that much.
Okay. Yeah.
Hit it a little bit.
Hit that shit a little bit.
Oh, it's ready to go. Oh, it's one that down. Okay.
Damn, why we stopping in the middle of the road? Why does it get the fuck out of the way? Oh, damn, almost lost my phone, boy. You gotta tell somebody.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I almost lost the goddamn phone, yo.
I thought you heard me down something.
Hell no. Bitch about jumped out my goddamn head. God damn. Ooh, this shit eating. Ooh, this shit eating.
Yo, this shit riding.
Pull up this gas. Pull over right here.
Alright, gas station.
Yeah.
I go up one.
Yeah. Pull in this gas station right here.
This shit crazy. This shit move, bro. This shit, you feel that shit. Everything looking.
Everything smelling. It was smell test when you ain't smelling nothing crazy coming out of here.
I don't smell nothing so far. See anything?
Oh.
It look clean to me. Bro, the elevator big as hell.
Oh, this shit nice as fuck. Alright. Alright, boom. It is final. Finally got the car. My boy got the car. My boy cut that thing off. My boy got the car.
Okay.
Take a picture with it. Yo.
Finally.
Yes. Yes.
Congratulations.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Don't forget about our Google reviews, please.
I got you.
Okay, yeah.
Okay?
All right, so we. Oh. All right. Pull up.
I bet.
Hey, look. I'm about to take us to a Hardee's.
See you at the house.
No, we're going to Hardee's. We gotta get that celebration dinner.
Are we eating in Hardee's?
Just pull over here.
Heard me?
We might. I don't know. Yo, my boy just got a car. When you gonna get yours?
When I'm 30, I'm just.
When you 30?
I'm just kidding.
All right, we have arrived. I said we were going to Hardee's, but instead we got the KFC. Hardee's was too far away.
I hit a little bit on accident.
Man, boy, today been a mission. Shit, let's go get something to eat, goddamn it. Don't mind my grill. I wasn't even going too fast. I was probably going like 115 and the damn grill flew off. Well, anyways. See, I might go see the inside even open because I don't even see nobody in there. And we in a busy part of town. Oh, I see somebody in there. You can smell it. You smell that chicken gang.
Mm-hmm.
What that smell like?
Chicken.
It smell like chicken. What kind of chicken you about to get?
Mm-hmm. The regular chicken.
Regular chicken. Gotta stop to the Wawa. Trying to refill after the little quick little swim session on the way home. Make sure I stick on my bumper. That shit like to come off when I'm swimming. We good. Still got it. Oh, slide over here to my boy real quick. Hold up. How you feeling right now? How that shit swimming?
Bro, this shit is fast as hell, bro. I feel good.
I ain't gonna count. Look, that was my boy first swim session. That was his first swim session. He valid. He valid. I'm gonna tell y'all right now.
Yeah.
For your first swim session, valid, bro.
And I'm in a new car, so I don't know this car.
Certified. I go ahead and get your certification. First swim session. Hold on. Look up what gas you need.
Right.
Don't just throw 87 in there. Make sure you can take 87.
Oh shit.
It be saying it up there.
Sometimes.
That's what Google's for.
Yeah, let me check Google.
All right, Wawa over. My boy getting in the whip. We fueled up. Gonna cruise home. Ain't trying to burn too much more gas, you know what I'm saying? I started off today with a full tank. I ain't even drive far. Man, when I got to this gas station, my ass was about on goddamn E, yo. Shit crazy. All right, about to get it. Do it again? Yeah, nah. Kill it.